Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Quarantining with Cody. I'm Cody, the Adult Teen Services Programmer at the Newport branch of the Campbell County Public Library. And today we're going to make a sugar scrub. What we're going to need for this program is 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of carrier oil, and a carrier oil can be anything from vegetable oil, which is what I'm using today, grapeseed oil, almond oil, coconut oil, pretty much any kind of oil. If you need to know the specifics on an oil that you have, go to Google, check it out for yourself to see if it's a carrier oil. And lastly, I'm going to use a vanilla extract here because this is something I can find in my kitchen. You can also use essential oils. If you're going to use an essential oil, you use about 10 to 15 drops. If you're going to use vanilla extract, use about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Depending on how much you use, the scent will be a little stronger or weaker. And then something to put the oil or the sugar scrub in afterwards. So what we're going to do first is we're going to throw all the stuff into our mixing bowl here. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're just going to give it a mix. And we're going to keep mixing it until it stops being clumpy and it's a little more of a finer powder. And this will take a few minutes here, but just give it a nice little toss and mix it all up. You don't want any of the sugar to be dry, and you want it to blend in perfectly with all the other ingredients. It will start to clump up because of how it's mixing, but you want to keep stirring it until it's a lot smoother. Now, sugar scrub it's an exfoliant, so you're going to use it on your skin after before you get in the shower. You'll put a little bit on wherever you want to, and then keep it on there for like 10-15 minutes. And then when you're done, you're going to wash it off, and it'll help make your skin a lot smoother, and it'll make it make it glow a little bit. Have that extra glow. This is a very, very simple project that you can easily do with stuff found in your kitchen. At this point, you can pretty much smell the how the sugar scrubs will smell. So if you need to add more of your vanilla extract or your essential oil, you can do that at this time. Mine smells pretty good. Give it a little bit of more. It'll still be a little coarse because, as an exfoliant, it's gonna scrape off all that extra dead skin. So once we're done here, I'm gonna grab a little container. I'm using an old mason jar here, and I'm just gonna scoop it in. And there we have it. A nice little sugar scrub that you can either use for yourself or give to a loved one to help de-stress during this rough time. If you will, please follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages, Campbell County Public Library. Thank you and have a great day.